Why choose native plants for your garden? Native plants are well adapted to local climates and soils, making them easier to grow and maintain. They require less water, fertilizer, and pesticides, and support local ecosystems by providing habitats for pollinators and wildlife. Understanding your region's climate. Before selecting native plants, it's important to understand your region's climate. Factors like temperature, rainfall, and frost dates influence which plants will thrive. Research native species that are suited to your local conditions for the best success in your garden. Native plants for dry climates. For arid or dry regions, native plants like sagebrush, yucca, and desert marigold are excellent choices. These drought-tolerant species are adapted to low water conditions and thrive in sandy or rocky soils, requiring little maintenance once established. Native plants for wet or humid climates. If you live in a wet or humid region, plants like swamp milkweed, blue flag iris, and wild ginger are ideal. These moisture-loving plants thrive in wet soils and help manage excess water in your garden while supporting local pollinators. Native plants for temperate climates. In temperate regions with moderate rainfall and seasonal changes, plants like black-eyed Susan, coneflower, and oakleaf hydrangea are perfect options. These hardy species can tolerate a wide range of conditions, making them versatile choices for your garden. Native plants for cold climates. For colder climates, native plants like birch trees, junipers, and wild columbine are well suited. These plants are hardy enough to survive harsh winters and grow well in colder soils, providing year-round interest in your garden. Benefits of growing native grasses. Native grasses like switchgrass, little bluestem, and prairie dropseed are low-maintenance options that help prevent soil erosion and provide habitats for wildlife. They thrive in a variety of climates and add texture and movement to your garden design. How to find native plants for your region. Consult local gardening centers, conservation organizations, or online databases to discover native plants specific to your region. Native plant societies often provide resources and plant lists to help you choose species suited to your local environment. Reducing maintenance and supporting biodiversity. Growing native plants reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides, as they are naturally resistant to local pests and diseases. By planting native species, you create a sustainable garden that supports biodiversity and contributes to environmental conservation. Conclusion: flourish with native plants. Choosing native plants for your climate leads to a thriving, low-maintenance garden. Whether you live in a dry desert or a wet, cold region, native species are the key to a healthy, eco-friendly garden that benefits both you and the environment.